KCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Sneh Society hak arpo trik no pra arjar arpuar. Kalapin barang ba ban sepelong ya karansan pin I jong githei dai riam ya kabala tep kum ke North Eastern Sustainable Fashion Show arja arpulai hanong ba shlong. Hak jeng kran bigelat pathai kubur. Kanong seng jong Sneh Society ke Priti Thapa. Ringkat ke jing don lang jong ke kong Sweetie Pala kile thu ba jing pelong ya ni karansan kalong ban plilat ya griu don sap makin dobla ban pin pau pathai yala ke jong ke sap ke phong ke bagi don. Hakani karansan onje tangi ginong shong shnong jong ke jala miglea. Mat ka kong Sweetie Pala galai thuru magani ka fashion show kan kan thop lang naru ki long kemi ki long kpa ki khun samla shinrang bat kan thei lembat ki heb barit.
So Symbol of Sneh Society is a society that does event for a purpose, founded in the year 2017 with the goal to help the needy ones. The society so far has done entertainment events, fashion events, charity events, etc. What makes the society a unique one is the ideology of associating itself with the goal of helping the society, which is after every event the SOSS team takes charitable initiatives that includes donation of masks, blankets, clothes, food for stray animals, etc. I came up with the idea of sustainable fashion through which we are trying to save the environment and especially promoting the local sustainable fabrics and helping to spread the information on environment friendliness of sustainable products among the youth as they are the future of the world. So, by recycling, reducing, reuse and upcycle the fabrics, an approach to safeguard the environment as well as highlight the fashion. And also we are creating a platform for all the local talents of the state that includes artists, dancers, models, designers, acrobats, etc. Sweetie Pala ma'am started with Red Cherry Production House, a production house with Dai Mafi being the first movie to be produced, being supported the local artists and talents since a long time. It then evolved to Mighty Pictures Production, which produced, of course, the very renowned and loved film Onatha. Onatha won the Best Khasi Language Film at the 63rd National Award, followed by Much Love Lorna.
Kani kadika fashion event kabalong ban kaba ailat and kaba yarap yaki local talents ki focus yaki local talents. This is the first event that ba kim focus long. We have so many events tang ba ki khot ki celebrities na ba DJs or whoever, all celebrities. But for the first time ni kwa ban focus yaki local talents because nimpat kampat don kan ko ke event ru kaba focus yaki local talents ni sha ignore kimdan kiba focus yaki local talents dekani ke event jongi ke this time kadai ba mi kwa ban focus yaki local talents so kan long bet ba ngin le kat bala ban wan ra ya ki talents jong ki tu brio ki khna ki klung ki samla ki ba don ha stage platform ka ba ni aila ya paro ki badon talent mdai tang ki slim trim people ni aila ya ki brio ki bas ngai ne ki bala don log ki bala don kon everybody is invited, everybody is allowed to be a part of this show.
So talking about this show, it's called Northeast Sustainable Fashion Show 2023. The Northeast Sustainable Fashion Show is an upcoming social fashion event that shall engage the youth of the state in various social purposes through fashion and event and entertainment. To create a platform for the various artists where there is no age barriers, introducing plus size models, no height criteria, gender equality for all. The goal of Symbol of Sneh Society is to promote the local youth, talent, local fabrics, indigenous music and save the environment by taking the first step. For the very first time, we are trying to create a platform, stage for the recognition of the real life hero who not only have selflessly contributed to the society but also has inspired the generation. The main highlight of the fashion show for the very first time shall be the real life heroes from our society who shall also be the showstopper, and on the main event the story shall unfold, share their journey and inspire. So when is the event? That the date we are not going to say here, but for the audition, yes, it's going to be on the 28th of December this month in Youth Hostel.
Auditions for everybody who wants to come and showcase their talent, who feel that they have the talent. So no matter what, you're single, you're married, you're plus size, and everybody is invited for this show. We just want to showcase their talent, and we don't have like no bias at anything or any point, because we just want to showcase talent, because anybody can have talent, right? Be it you're fat, be it you're thin, be it you're slim, be it you're beautiful, be it you're black, be it you're white. It's like everybody has talent. So we just want to showcase that talent. And after doing Onata, I realized just one thing, that everybody goes through a lot at some point. We cannot say that my problem is like, oh my God, I am having this problem, and like, this is the problem of my life and all that. That is all nonsense actually, because everybody goes through some problem at some point of time. So we just want to fight, and we just want to come across that, fight it and just come across that. So my point is, now we just want to focus on one thing, and that is to bring out all the focused on people who needs our help now. We are in a position to help people right now, so we just want to bring them up also. We just want to like come, bring yourself up and show yourself up,
creating a platform for them
yes.
to showcase
for
their talent.
everybody who have talent, and we want to showcase that, and we don't want to focus on anybody who's already famous or whatever. We want to show the real heroes. We want to showcase the actual people who are real heroes of life, in everybody's field, in every field that they are doing. So we just want to focus on that.
Not everybody knows about it, right?
Right.
So through fashion and entertainment, we are trying to introduce them.
So
as
this
well.
is Yes, so this is it's not just a fashion show, it's a fashion with a purpose.
With a purpose. It's a social fashion event, yes. So one more point that we are introducing this year is SWIP. We are giving an awareness of SWIP. The full form is Systematic Voters Electoral Education Engagement and Participation. Education about enrollment, voting rights, etc. Because we had discussion with the enrollment team here in Meghalaya. So from the numbers we came to know that when it comes to urban place, it's like the enrollment number is really less. It's really less when we saw the numbers, and compared to like rural areas, like almost everybody is enrolled over there. So we thought a message why it's important for them, for the youth to get enrolled, and of course the importance of voting. Yes, that is one of the awareness that we are going to give to our youth this time in this season. So ma'am, this is the third season that we are doing. First season we did last year, 29 December 2021, and then again the second season we did 7th of July this year only in the Loft Cafe. So the journey, it didn't stop. So this is the third season that we are trying to do, and we want to bring more awareness, more purposes there. We are engaging the youth with us, and those awareness that they don't get when it comes to fashion and entertainment. As you know, like the whole stigma is so different. So we are trying to change that stigma. If we can give all these kind of message through our fashion and entertainment, why not, ma'am? We'll we'll try our best, and we'll be trying more in the future too.
But see, this is entirely her show, and she's like she started her journey in a very small way, but she's picking it up, and like it's really getting very good response. The last show that she had was at Loft Cafe we had, and the response was quite good, and a lot of models and even the audience were really responding at it in a very good way. I'm sorry. So this time we are trying to just make it bigger.
Yes, one more thing I forgot to mention that time is Impulse NGO. She's also, Hasina Karbi ma'am, she's also collaborating with us this season. So Hasina Karbi ma'am is the founder and chairperson of Impulse NGO Network. She spent more than 2 decades in this sector, a leading figure in the fight against human trafficking, being involved in social welfare, development and human rights. So we are very lucky and fortunate, we can say, that she's there and supporting the cause this year. I'm very happy to announce that too. Ma'am, yes. Actually there are so many things that will be involved in this, if I say everything now, then ma'am, it will be like there's so many special features for them as well. Like, to say it in a basic word, what we can do is like the people from the electoral office, we are having a talk with them. So they are definitely going to come and yes ma'am.
Yeah, so we can say that this is the first time that you are going to educate people,
yes ma'am,
voters through fashion.
Yes, yes. This is the first time, ma'am.
Yes,
first time.
Yes.
We have been doing that before also, ma'am, not the voting part,
yes,
but we do like charity. Swachh Bharat also we did, recently also we did. So we are involving the youth in a very social way as possible. So this time that is also there. That's always it's there. It's gonna be there. But this time voting has also been a part of this, ma'am. Like the knowledge, the awareness to give them.